Can one tool really run your emails, landing pages, forms, checkouts, automations, and help you land more sales? Well, that's Flodesk, and today we are diving deep into what it can do. I'm gonna show you the design engine, the automations, the forms, the checkout, plus we're gonna cover pricing so that by the end of this video, you are gonna know if Flodesk is right for you. Let's get into it. And hey, before we dive in, I have partnered with Flodesk on this video, and if you click that first link down below in the description, you could get started with Flodesk today. And if you do sign up for the annual plan, you're gonna get a month for free. Plus, they do have a free trial, so you could get started today with no risk and no credit card required. So what is Flodesk? Flodesk is a design-first email marketing platform that's built specifically for small businesses, solopreneurs, and creators. The core idea is simple. Most email platforms make your brand fit into their templates. Flodesk works the other way around. It's your fonts, and yes, you could upload your own custom fonts, your colors, your visual identity. Those are gonna shape every email, every form, and every sales page you build. And that's why they're trusted by over 100,000 businesses just like yours. And yes, they do email beautifully, but they also do a lot more. We're talking about workflows, automations, forms, checkouts, and analytics. So let's go through some of my favorites. First up, we have to talk about the brand first email design. And this is the whole reason Flodesk exists. Now, Flodesk has patented layout technology that renders custom fonts and complex designs consistently across Gmail, Apple Mail, Outlook, and mobile. Most platforms simply can't do that. And this means your email is gonna truly feel like an extension of your site instead of a generic template with your logo pasted on top. And you can do powerful email actions like deep personalization, resend to unopens, link actions, which honestly is one of my favorite features, and more. Plus, their email marketing can integrate with lots of your favorite website builders, as you see on the screen. And here's what the design quality actually does for you. Flodesk members average open rates between 36 and 47%. The industry average sits around 21%, so that is roughly double. And they also have a 98.4% platform-wide deliverability rate. Now, just take a look at their templates. And remember, you could add your own colors, your own fonts, your own brand language. But these are beautiful. They're modern and really easy to customize to your brand. The editor itself is drag and drop. There's also a Canva integration built in. You could add in things like countdown timers and embedded polls without paying for a third-party tool on top. Oh, and you could also do A/B testing with your subject lines. And that means you could write two variations, Flodesk sends them both out, and after 24 hours, it looks at the open rates and automatically sends the winner to the rest of your list. The second piece is gonna be workflows and automations. Now, automations are gonna matter. They are truly the difference between email being a chore you do on a Sunday night or email being an asset that works whether or not you're at your desk. As well as Flodesk supports multi-trigger workflows, split paths that rejoin naturally, engagement-based conditions, and behavior triggers that are tied to their own checkout and to Shopify. So here's what all of this looks like in practice. Someone adds your course to their cart, but then they get distracted and they leave. Flodesk will then fire off and send an abandoned cart sequence automatically without you having to intervene. And on those emails specifically, Flodesk reports a 43% open rate and a 23% click rate on those cart emails, and says that recovery within the first hour lifts conversions by 20%. And just think about what an additional 20% of sales can do for your business. Now, that's just the beginning. You could create journeys for freebie deliverables, nurture series, series, coupon delivery, events, welcome series, post-purchase, and re-engagement, just to name a few. Third on our list is going to be forms. And I know forms sound boring, but forms that connect to your email seamlessly and look great can increase conversions. And Flodesk's forms convert at double the industry average. I mean, these stats are insane. Now, Flodesk is going to give you 8 different types of forms: pop-ups, inline forms, full page landing pages, link in bio, spin the wheel, video forms, countdown forms, and preference collection. And all of them you can design to be fully branded. And the best part is none of them require a website. And what that means is if you are a coach with nothing but an Instagram profile, you could run a link in bio form, capture subscribers, and never touch a website builder. Now, the fourth feature is going to be Flodesk Checkout. And this is what turns an email list into an actual business. Now, think of all the things you can sell. You can sell products, services, subscriptions, and digital goods directly. And you're also going to have the buy now and pay later features with Klarna, Affirm, and Afterpay. And people can pay with cards or Apple Pay or Google Pay. Oh, and don't forget, you do get one-click upsells. And when it comes to taxes, those will be automatic through Stripe Tax. Now, this is the thing you'll want to pay attention to if you are comparing other platforms, especially when it comes to checkout. Flodesk charges 0 platform fee. Yes, you will pay Stripe's standard processing rate, but there's nothing added on top of it. When you compare that to Gumroad or Podia or Kajabi, where the platform takes a cut of every single sale you make, it's a number you're gonna pay attention to as you grow. For example, if you're selling a $200 template pack a couple times a week, that difference is gonna add up faster than you think. Now, checkout is available on the Pro and Everything plans. And the fifth thing that I wanted to show you, it's brand new, and it's called Flodesk Studio. Studio is a separate app, and it's a completely different way to design an email. You add your brand in once, your colors, your fonts, your logo, then you describe the email you want, just like you were having a conversation. And Studio is gonna hand you 3 finished directions to choose from. From there, you could refine it further by chatting with it, or you could jump into the manual builder to move things around the way you like. Every design that Studio pulls from, it was first designed by Flodesk's in-house team. The AI is applying your brand on top of real human design work, not generating a layout out of thin air. And that's why the results don't have that AI look. Now, practically, if it takes about 2 hours to build an email manually, in Studio, this is gonna be cut down to minutes. And 2 more things. You could build straight from Flodesk or export the design out to pretty much any other email provider you're already using. And while it's in beta right now, Studio is free. And you don't even need a Flodesk account to try it. Alright, now let's talk about pricing. Flodesk scales with your active subscriber count. So everything I'm about to share is based on 1,000 subscribers. First, they do offer a free plan, and that will get you forms, landing pages, and link in bio with no subscriber limit. Now, there's no email sending, so you're gonna treat this as list building only. Next up is the Lite plan, and this starts at $19 a month on annual billing. This is gonna give you unlimited sends, 1 workflow, and 1 seat. Next up is Pro, and this is $25 a month annually, and this is gonna unlock on top of unlimited sends, unlimited workflows, advanced analytics, no Flodesk branding with 2 seats, and checkout. This is their most popular plan. Next is the Everything plan, and this starts at $49 a month annually. On top of everything I just mentioned, it's also gonna give you unlimited checkouts, sales pages, subscriptions, abandoned cart, and 3 seats. And don't forget, if you want to get started, use that first link in the description to get 50% off your first year. Now, who is Flodesk actually built for? Whether you are a photographer, a wedding vendor, a creator, a coach, a consultant, or a social media influencer, a creator like myself, if your email needs to be beautiful and match your brand and feel, Flodesk is the way to go. But it's not limited to that. If you're an e-commerce store on Shopify, Squarespace, or the like, or a course creator, or even a local service business, maybe a therapist or a cleaners, maybe a dentist, a therapist, a gym, a salon, if you are building a list through e-commerce or through in-person traffic, Flodesk is going to give you all the tools you're going to need to build a real email marketing business. So if you're ready to get started today, use that first link down below in the description. And hey, if you got value from this video and you want more like this, subscribe. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments below. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.